If Google Drive is showing an error message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These are simple troubleshooting methods that can solve most Google Drive problems, whether the page won't load, files won't sync, or you keep getting a strange warning. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's start with the easiest solution first. Refresh Google Drive. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R to reload the page. A lot of the time, the error message is only temporary, and a simple refresh will make it disappear right away. If the page is stuck or partially loaded, this is the first thing you should always try. Next, check your internet connection. Google Drive depends on a stable connection, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or dropping in and out, you may see error messages or loading problems. Try opening another website to see if it loads properly. If other sites are slow too, reconnect to your network, switch Wi-Fi bands if available, or restart your router if needed. If the issue is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. Old cache data can sometimes conflict with Google Drive and cause strange errors. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and open it again before testing Drive one more time. Now try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private browsing window, then visit Google Drive again. Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browser session, which makes it a great way to check whether the error is being caused by your browser settings, saved sessions, or an extension problem. If Drive works in Incognito, that's a strong clue the issue is browser-related. Another simple fix is to sign out and sign back into your Google account. Click your profile picture in the top corner, sign out, and then log back in again. This refreshes your Google session and can clear account-related glitches that sometimes trigger Drive error messages. Once you sign back in, return to Google Drive and see if the problem is gone. You should also disable VPNs and browser extensions temporarily. Some VPNs, ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can interfere with Google Drive loading properly. Turn them off one by one, then reload Drive to test again. If the error disappears after disabling one of them, you found the cause. In that case, you may want to keep that extension off while using Drive, or add Google Drive to its allowed list. Finally, check your Google Drive storage. If your account is full, uploads and sync features may fail, and that can lead to error messages. Go to your Google account storage page and make sure you still have free space available. If your storage is full, delete unnecessary files, clear large emails from Gmail, or upgrade your storage plan if needed. So, to recap, the main fixes are refresh Google Drive, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, sign out and sign back in, disable VPNs or extensions, and check storage. These steps solve most Google Drive error message issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.